Hi all, it's Ben. I'm at Hiccups and Churroholic Tea and Asian Fusion. It's kind of like this tea place with some Asian food, like pad thai, there's some pho, and we ordered a few things. We ordered some pad thai, I ordered the popcorn chicken and rice, and I think Pam ordered some pho. So it's a pretty cool place. I'll kind of show you what it looks like. And then this is what we ordered. This is the pad thai. It looks pretty good. And then this is a strawberry lychee beverage drink. This is Will. You might remember him from other videos where we ate a lot of sushi. Sushi! This is the Thai iced tea. I'll stick the non-biodegradable, not good for you or good for the planet plastic straw. I really shouldn't, but I don't know how else to drink it. So here we go. Mix it up. And I have no doubt it's going to taste just like Thai iced tea. This is the Thai iced tea. Tastes like Thai iced tea. Yeah, it's normal. This is the strawberry lychee tea, fruit tea, strawberry lychee drink. It's not bad. I think I like it better than the Thai iced tea. It tastes very fruity and very refreshing. So definitely get that as opposed to the Thai iced tea because I've had better at other places. This is the pho, and it has...
I got brisket.
It has brisket. Meatballs.
And it's supposed to come with tendons, but I asked for tripe. And they gave me
it has tripe. Yeah. So if you like pho, I don't know how good this is because I know there's a lot of other good pho places out here in Garden Grove and Fountain Valley and, you know, Little Saigon, but...
We'll find out.
We'll find out. This is the popcorn chicken with rice and some kind of sesame salad thing. It's very simple, but I'm a simple guy. Will is gonna try his pad thai, which he's tried before, and he told me it's pretty good. How was it, Will? Thumbs up? Alright. I think he'd recommend it if you like dried noodles and stuff. How's the pho, Pam?
I'd say it's good. Not bad. Average.
It's good. Not bad. Average. Have you had better?
Probably. I think the soup's a little less.
The soup is not as flavorful.
The meatball was good, and I haven't tried the tripe yet, so I'm gonna put it in some sriracha, hoisin sun.
As with a lot of things, for pho, they're not really known for the strength of their broth because it's usually like very watery, kind of like the Tears of Orphans, and you know, it's not as flavorful. If you want really good broth, if you want like, you know, tonkatsu or like, the Japanese do a really kick-ass job.
I like pho, and there's better soups than this one, but it's still not bad. But even though it's watery, as you said, it still tastes good.
Yeah, I don't really like pho. I do like Vietnamese sandwiches, banh mi's. They're very good, but I'm not a big fan of pho. So, you know, the whole orphan tears thing, I was just joking. So, I'm pretty sure the sesame salad's gonna taste like just with a dressing, right? So I'm gonna dive into the popcorn chicken because I'm kind of like a big chicken type of guy. I like chicken. So here we go. The chicken is like pretty crunchy, it's not bad. It's not like super dry and not over fried, which I appreciate. But seasoning wise, it's okay. I have had better. There's this popcorn chicken place out in Riverside. I'll post the link right here. And that's really good, but Riverside and Stanton are very far away. So this is a reasonable alternative. Overall, it's not bad. And I'm sure the rice is going to taste just like rice, so I'm not going to give a review of that. So anyways, if you're out in Stanton and you're looking for kind of an all-inclusive, multiple option type of Asian food, you could probably drop into Hiccups. I can't honestly say I would make my way back because there's a lot of great food out in Southern California in general. When I'm in town visiting folks and my brother Will, I'll probably hit up something else. This didn't quite make the cut of fan favorite for me to come back, but it's okay.
Crispiness is good. It doesn't have like if you go Taiwanese popcorn food, they have that extra spice on it and stuff. They don't have that. If you have that, then
Yeah, so there you go. Anyways, thanks for watching.